Hello again. My name is Usama. I am the CEO of PeakSoft GmbH and the founder of PeakChain. Today, I will present our PeakChain connected car projects on Cardano. We have submitted 4 proposals in Fund 9 in Challenge dApps, products, and integration. So, how did we come up with this idea? We have noticed that the majority of projects in the crypto space are about DeFi, NFT, and so on. There is a need of real-life utility use cases in order to attract more people to the Cardano ecosystem. In fact, mobility services like car sharing and ride sharing are increasing in popularity, not only in Germany and Europe, but also worldwide. We have noticed that there are few blockchain mobility solutions on the market with very limited features and restricted user bases. That's why we have decided to offer an alternative mobility solutions implemented on Cardano. We will begin by presenting the problem statement and the planned solution. After that, we will tackle our 4 projects, which are PeakChain Car Wallet device, the car sharing platform, the fleet management platform, and the ride sharing Uber-like platform. Next, we will discuss the implemented prototype, which represents a proof of feasibility for the project. Finally, I will present some information about the company, PeakSoft GmbH, and our PeakChain team. First, we will begin by presenting the current challenges that we want to overcome by implementing our mobility solutions on Cardano. All mobility platforms existing on the markets are centralized solutions. This brings potential risks. First, sensitive user data like trip data could be tracked, hacked, or even abused by the service provider. Second, users are paying high fees. And finally, Web2 solutions such as Uber are exclusively governed by centralized entities. This can lead to the enforcement of unpredictable rule changes. This could include, for example, fee changes. Now, we move to what we have planned as solutions for the previously mentioned risks. Our solution could be summarized as follows. We will offer an alternative decentralized mobility solutions by leveraging Cardano blockchain technology. This will not only ensure data privacy and security, but also provide transparency and improve user trust. We should also notice that mobility as a sector is one of the largest and fastest growing by market size and user numbers. Ultimately, this will increase the adoption of Cardano. PeakChain mobility platform will have similar architecture. So, because we have a limited presentation time, we will explain just the detailed architecture of one solution, which is the PeakChain car sharing platform. The PeakChain car sharing platform consists of 5 unique components. First, the hardware component. The CAN boost road trip data, for example, mileage, speed, timestamp, etc., are retrieved directly from the car through the OBD2 port and transferred to the PeakChain server through a dedicated SIM card. Second component, the data decoding and processing component. So a suitable database will be used to decode the uploaded trip data. The third component, which is the vehicle wallet component, a transaction is submitted to the Cardano blockchain, which includes the vehicle and trip data. The fourth component is the car sharing smart contract, which is a peer-to-peer contract between the vehicle and the customer. Service costs will be automatically calculated once the trip ends. Next, the fees are transferred from the customer wallet to the vehicle wallet automatically without any third-party interaction. The final component, the web application and mobile app component. The functionalities include vehicle and customer registration, start and ending the trip history, cost information, etc. In the near future, all IoT devices will offer an embedded wallet. So trustless peer-to-peer communication with the blockchain and with other IoT devices or customers is possible through this embedded wallet. Cars are, of course, IoT devices. That's why our plan is to build a vehicle hardware wallet, serving as a critical component for all connected car dApps. As you can see in the diagram, our goal is to replace the PeakChain server with the PeakChain car wallet device. This will deliver an optimal decentralization for our solutions. The previous slide helps us transitioning to our first project, which is the PeakChain car wallet device. You can find the proposal in Catalyst Fund 9, dApps and Integration Challenge. The device will offer the following functionalities. The car connects to the hardware directly through a dedicated OBD2 port. This port exists in almost every car. The hardware retrieves sensitive data from the vehicle, like the vehicle speed, time, engine RPM, etc., and then decodes and processes the raw trip data. The hardware is also connected to the internet through a dedicated embedded SIM card. It's connected to the Cardano blockchain, of course, by submitting transactions, and the device manages the car wallet. PeakChain hardware wallet device will help unlock multiple mobility use cases for the Cardano blockchain. Some of the application domains of the device are remote software update, insurance, electric vehicles, car sharing services, fleet management, ride sharing services like Uber. Next project, the car sharing platform. You can find the proposal on the Catalyst Fund 9 campaign dApps and integration also. We have previously discussed the details of the implementation of the platform and its architecture, so we can move to the next project, which is the ride-sharing platform like Uber. So the ride-sharing services market size is growing worldwide. However, much like car sharing, users should control their data entirely in the ride-sharing platform. The complete solution consists of 5 main stages. The first one, we will design the solution architecture and build both the web application and the apps. We will create and deploy an economic model that provides true value and competitivity. Third stage, we will focus on building a sustainable community by incentivizing users and solution contributors. The fourth stage, once completing the technical solution, we will proceed to test through various global users and incentivize them. The final stage, we will offer this device ready for integration for other mobility use cases. Now we move to the last project, which is the fleet management platform. You can find it on the same campaign. So logistic companies must monitor fleets to reduce fuel consumption and optimize driving behavior and trajectory. Fleet management data is vital for developing a business. This data should also remain confidential, as security or privacy concerns could impact competitiveness of these companies. In order to prove the feasibility of the project, we have successfully implemented a prototype. We can proudly announce that we have the first car connected to the Cardano blockchain. We have configured a special device to retrieve the raw vehicle data through the OBD2 port. We have also configured a testing server, including a running Cardano node and a special script for decoding and processing raw car data and submitting transactions. Once the trip ended, the transaction was submitted automatically to the blockchain. Our testing service, in this case, has calculated the maximum reach speed and the timestamp. You can see it here, which was reached and submitted to the blockchain, as you can see in the Cardano Explorer. So this will serve as a proof of feasibility for the project and helps further developing the solution. It's worth mentioning that PeakChain brand is launched by PeakSoft GmbH, a software development company based in Germany. You can check all the company details in our website. And moving forward, I believe that trusting the team and the company behind the brand or the project is more important than trusting the project and the idea. PeakChain core team consists of 6 team members. Me and Abdurrahim Isawi. I have the experience in connected car projects by Volkswagen software quality assurance. Abdurrahim have several years experience in software engineering. We are both Bluetooth pioneers, Atala Prism pioneers. Mohammed Abdalali, electrical engineer with several years by Volkswagen in connected car projects, and also software quality. Habib Mokti, software engineer. Naila and Ramla for administrative and coordination tasks and project management tasks. Our expertise, why our team is the best team to deliver. First, we have the Cardano expertise, Bluetooth pioneers. We are running a staking pool. Second, software development and quality project expertise with a lot of certifications in project management, Scrum Master, product owner, PMP, and so on. We have several years experience in Volkswagen in connected car projects. Last and not least, we are in the best environment to build such automotive projects in Germany. How could you support us? You can check our projects in Fund 9. You can delegate to our staking pool and also share our projects and articles on the social media. To conclude, we as a company pushing Cardano to discover new horizons and unlock new possibilities. This use case will help onboard more people to the Cardano ecosystem. That's why we need your vote in Fund 9 to build real-life utility projects on Cardano. Yeah, thank you.